Tell him, let him work his magic. We're in town, so we're gonna see what he can do.
Really tell you're dead.
I'm exhausted. I unplug it all and it should scoot right down.
I'm shaking, bro. I'm nervous.
Fully awake. You ready? Going to Big's house right now. Diagnose his turbo crew cab and see what he's got going on. Just leaving the hotel, getting the truck loaded up. Make sure you're not forgetting nothing. It's like 26, somewhere around there.
That's stupid impressive. For a V8?
For, yeah, V8 4x4, 373s.
Bro. Daily already. Dead.
I'm exhausted, bro.
Sorry, Chris. You haven't slept, no?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
I slept at the event. Yeah, for like a whole 2 hours. Two hours the last 2 days, bro. I'm exhausted.
So what's up with the truck? What's going on with it?
Basically just an electrical issue. Yesterday, EJ Performance, Ellie right here, he swapped out the harness. It wasn't that. Checked the fuses, all the fuses are good. That's why Chris is here to fix it. We don't really know what's going on.
Straight from Houston.
It's probably gonna take it, bro, to be honest. Then we'll go pick it up whenever it's ready. Everything's done. It's just the little issue that we gotta patch up.
What do you think it is, Chris?
It's gonna be something simple, but we gotta find it. We just don't know where it's at. Because we can't even, we connect the scanner, nothing communicates. There's no, we don't even know where to start. We have power, we have ground, but no data communication. And I know the ECM is good and the TCM is good. Yeah.
I told him just keep it good, so we still have it.
We know it's good.
When it didn't work yesterday, bro,
We were like, just checking it out. Trying to see if we can find another BCM kind of quick. Yeah, the one that goes underneath the dash. About like wow, por un lado, la left. I think you can look under there and see it. Yeah. Put the seat upright normal. Yeah, put this. And let's put it all the way back. Unplug it all and it should scoot right down. That one I didn't even take nothing out. It just
Yeah,
came
this
out.
one right here.
Yeah. It popped right out. I just put the clutch. Yeah. This whole 404 would have been sick. Give away that? Nah. Tell them what you do with the spot.
With this one, we were having the same issue, and I went ahead and swapped out the harness, and that's working. Yeah, I know. I'm tired, bro. Hold on. So we were having the same issue with this truck. The same that is going on with that one, this one was having it. So I went ahead and swapped out the engine harness, and that worked. And that one, we don't know what's going on with this. So
Basically, you're saying that you're like the same work you did with this one, you're doing on that one.
Yeah.
This one worked, but that one didn't.
Yeah.
Something's going on. Something else.
Going on with that one. Probably something electrical in the inside of it. It could have been something else. Because this one, I just went ahead and did the same thing that I did to this one on that one, and it's still not working.
That was a 2019 LT1. I don't know if that has something to do with. He said it didn't, but
It's just plug and play. So
Yeah.
should have just went ahead and started up, but we don't know what's the issue. This one worked, but that one didn't.
Every truck is different somehow.
For now, he swapped out the BCM, which hopefully that's the issue. We're gonna find out right now.
How are you feeling?
I'm shaking, bro. I'm nervous.
Hopefully it works.
What the?
As well, Chris found the problem on the truck.
Like I said, man, shout out to Chris right here. Make sure you give him a follow.
Him
Best
a
guy out
long
here, man.
time just to figure it out. What was it?
So every wire got to check pin to pin. You know, we lost signal somewhere. Found it. You know, and that was it.
Like I said, shout out to Triple P, shout out to EJ Performance, my boy. And we'll be in Houston soon. We'll possibly do a dyno session with Chris, and that's that.
Wait for it. Just with code reader.
Oh, badass.
See if it clears it though.
We're gonna pull it back with the straps again.
Yeah.
We just jack it up and then put the wood block. But let me put the straps in the back first.
What you doing, Ruben?
How's it going? What's up? What's up?
What you
We
bring
out
to
here?
the shop?
We bought a little V6, trying to compete with Omar, you know. It's just a V6, 460, big tire, just to make it look fast. Something for a 750 class where you go play. So brought it to Chris, tell him let him work his magic. So we're gonna see what he can do.
Gonna dyno the beauty, see where she's at.
Hey, open the hood, bro. You got wood found? Un Lamborghini.
That's like a vegetable.
¿Y la batería está a frente?
What did you just say?
You seen the interior, bro?
Yeah, look badass.
What the? All the lanes is all like that.
That looks so like it doesn't look near right.
Where's the motor?
It's an electric car.
Where's the motor?
El motor está acá.
Para conectar cables, ¿está atrás o frente?
¿Para la batería?
Ya.
Allá enfrente.
Solamente lo he hecho una vez. Pero quita la tapadera que está ahí por los wipers.
Ahí te digo.
Oh, I think that's what you're talking about.
Sí, todo está.
Oh, esa.
Sí, esta la tienes que quitar. Primero
La otra.
Sí, igual que la otra del otro lado.
You gotta take that one off too?
Sí,
Okay, okay.
tiene estos tres. Uno son 4.
pásale para afuera. Ándale. Ahí está. Esto lo podemos quitar.
Yeah. That's crazy, bro. Cool.
We got more wood for it?
Pretty hot.
Wow. Yeah, yeah. ¿Y los radiadores aquí están al lado?
Sí.
Alright, so we gotta put...
Tiene radiador de aquel lado, de este lado y dos enfrente.
¿Cuáles son los más grandes?
No, no sé. Yo digo, me imagino que estos, mira.
Ok. Para poner los abanicos.
Sí.
Alright. Right, Omar? Roll to center.
Place at like 480. A ver, mira. Quítale todo uno más a este, el primero. Uno más. ¿Escucharon?
Yeah.
No, no sé.
Oh, ya quedó, ya.
¿Ya?
We're gonna do a pull.
That's the first time hearing it like that, huh?
¿Qué pasó?
Huh? Perfect.
¿Sí?
Does that long clip or no?
No. Oh, yeah.
Oh. ¿Verdad? ¿Sí trae headers?
Sí.
It made
434.
434.55, max torque 516.40.
¿Está bien? 434.
434 está con madre.
Pero ya.
I was wrong. I thought it was at least in the 500 range.
But we can probably put a fan aquí para ayudar a sacar aire aquí. That'll help.
Dale.
Hey, as long as you be, you know, the Shelby with the 700, you're good.
¿Sí, verdad?
Yeah.
Ya le gané.
That's good. Start the process.
Is the ECM on this lock or
Yeah,
not?
it is. We had some in.
Damn. The ECM is locked, so we can't tune it until we remove the controller and ship it to get it unlocked. Start tuning it.
What you think?
¿Está bien?
What makes it real dyno numbers? Every dyno shop is different.
Yeah. This is 1-to-1 ratio. Nothing too crazy, you know. In factory settings on the dyno, standard SAE. So right now it's on standard settings, on standard like SAE stuff. But right now it's correcting for the weather and stuff. But I bet you if I turn off the correction for the weather, it would actually print more. But I don't care. You know, I want to know what's gonna make all year. This is what about it's gonna make.
432.
Yeah. 432, 434.
What about where she's at?
That's perfect.
Está bien. Ahorita
Sí.
tú ni el...
El tune va a despertar mucho.
Ya. ¿4 qué? ¿30?
432.81.
Ahí.
Para poder torque 621.19.
Está con madre. A huevo. Mientras que van ganándole al Freddy. Men, de perdida, ¿cuántos? Con el Supercharger, ¿cuánto irá a agarrar? ¿Unos 600?
Supercharger?
Sí.
6 something.
Unos 600, ¿no?
Yeah. 600 easy.
But that's depending on the pounds también.
Carla, that's it.
Yeah.
You know. Oh, we can probably dejarla en a donde vives.
No, ya no hay pena.
Sí, para que, para que la veas todos los días.
No, yo te la traigo, te la dejo aquí. Para que le quite el macho y lo envíe y lo regrese.
Yeah, ECM service.
Y ya. Y ya después él que haga su magia.
CO6 Corvette, it's all motors making 600 to the wheels on point.
Pues es un motor chingón, no es un motor cualquiera.
It's all motor.
It's a chingón. It's a Coyote style motor, but with the big bottom end. Coyote style heads.
Yeah, it's dual over.
Yes, it's a good NA motor, but it has a big bottom end.
I wish they had those on trucks.
Yeah, they're not gonna put that. That's definitely a light car motor. Doesn't make torques.